Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the ultimate product showdowns. Today, we're taking to the skies with two epic drones, the Bwine F7GPS drone and the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S. Grab your popcorn because we're about to get controversial, opinionated, and downright hilarious. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the cost. The Bwine F7 GPS drone is priced at a whopping $501. That's right, folks, you might need to sell a kidney. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S is a much more wallet-friendly $209. That's practically a steal. You could buy 2 Holy Stones and still have cash left over for a pizza. Who's hungry? Now let's zoom in on those cameras. The Bwine comes with a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in your backpack. Reviewers have praised its good video quality and stability. On the flip side, the Holy Stone also boasts a 4K camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. Users love its detailed imaging capabilities, although some noted a slight latency with iPhones. Both have adjustable lenses, but if you're just filming your dog chasing its tail, does it really matter? Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay airborne. The Bwine offers a generous 50 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to question every life decision you've ever made. Reviewers did mention a short battery life in some cases, but overall, it's satisfactory. The Holy Stone, however, gives you 20 minutes. It's like the difference between binge-watching a whole season of your favorite show versus just the pilot episode. Choose wisely. Wind resistance. The Bwine flaunts a level 6 wind resistance. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones, wind. What wind? Reviewers appreciate its stability even in windy conditions. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone doesn't even brag about wind resistance. It's kind of like that friend who always skips leg day at the gym. Although some users found it stable, it's still not as robust as the Bwine. Both of these drones boast a 10,000 feet long-range transmission. That's right, folks, you can fly these drones to the next town over and still keep an eye on them. It's like having a drone with an unlimited data plan. No dropped calls here. Reviewers for both drones appreciated this feature, noting the stable and long-range connectivity. Let's talk GPS. Both drones come with GPS-assisted features like auto-return, follow me, and waypoints. They're like your reliable, tech-savvy friends who never get lost and always find their way home. Bwine has that extra FAA compliance thing going on, which can be crucial for US users. Reviewers of both drones appreciate these features, though Holy Stone users especially love the ease of use. User experience. The Bwine promises quick resolution of customer issues. Basically, they're like that over-eager friend who replies to your text before you even hit send. Holy Stone, on the other hand, has a user-friendly control system and keeps upgrading their app. Reviewers of both drones were pleased with the customer support and user-friendliness, but Holy Stone's app updates are a big plus. Finally, fun features. The Bwine lets you share your joy with one click. You can turn your drone footage into a viral sensation faster than you can say, influencer. Reviewers love the easy sharing features. Holy Stone, however, has all sorts of fancy recording modes like Spiral Up and Catapult. It's basically the Cirque du Soleil of drones. Reviewers found these modes fun and engaging. Overall, both drones have received positive reviews from users. The Bwine F7 GPS drone is praised for its high-quality camera, long flight time, and robust wind resistance, making it a solid choice for those willing to invest more. The Holystone GPS drone HS360S, on the other hand, is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it an excellent option for beginners and those on a budget. So smart shoppers, which drone is going to be your new best friend? The premium, feature-packed Bwine F7 GPS drone, or the budget-friendly, user-friendly Holystone GPS drone HS360S? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and informative product comparisons. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.